Hi everybody, out at the field today here with my FRC Foamies F-18 Hornet. So let's have a little fun. So this is kind of a special day for this airplane and me. This is actually flight number 200. I guess that's indicative of how much I've been enjoying flying it to have built up that many flights in a pretty short period of time. So I'm running the Gemfan Hulky 50-55 prop today. Performing really well on this, this tail mount setup. FRC 2306-2750 motor. Equivalent to the Hurricane 51-499 prop that I've run primarily since switching to 5-inch 3-blade props. Get her up in a nice smooth loop. That's one thing about this FRC Foamies F-18. It's just silky smooth to fly. Just flying on 3S today. Nice. So this is, if you follow my YouTube channel, this is my first tail mount park jet. So it's been a really interesting and enjoyable experience. I've certainly learned a lot, and I know that now that I have the confidence in building and setting them up and flying them, that I will build more tail mount park jets in the future. As I've probably mentioned a few times on other videos, I do plan on building the FRC Foamies F-22 Raptor. Probably sometime later this year. Yeah, just a nice cruise by there. Burners, go. Yeah, since switching to this 5-inch 3-blade prop setup on this high KV quad racing motor, it just really, it just gives very smooth speed and response, and just whisper quiet. It just kind of purrs along there. All right, there's my alarm. Let's bring this little beauty in for a landing. Very nice. So there we go, folks. There's the FRC Foamies F-18 Hornet flight number 200. Wow. So let me just check, because I just started running this on the Gemfan Hulky. Good. Cool day today. So I'm running this GNB 2200 3S 110C battery. It's about the third or fourth flight I have on it now. So far working out really well. So I'll be doing a review, my initial impressions review on that on my YouTube channel here shortly. But yeah, I just like I said, just loving this FRC Foamies F-18. How it looks, how it flies. Just a real pleasure. So thanks very much for watching. Blue skies, calm winds to everyone. Park jet noise. Yeah, the sound of freedom, baby. Take care.